and welcome back to Heart and Soul. My name is Monica. Today I'm going to share with you my front patio that I did for the summer. What I went ahead and did is just used what I had out for spring. Some of the things I had out for spring. And then I added in my lemon and patriotic decor and just kind of combined everything. And I really love how it turned out. I hope you can find some fun ideas that you could use on your front or back patio, or just sit back and enjoy.
What's funny about that?
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it was kind of fun how, combining everything. I bought nothing for this video. When you can just kind of start, small, and depending on what kind of front patio or back patio you have, you can just, start small, just, stockpiling some things, and every year, pull it out. It can just be so fun. And I think just celebrating everything, all the seasons, just brings joy to me. And, maybe it'll bring joy to you as well. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.